One of the most frequently asked questions we get almost on a daily basis is, what makes ENCY different from other CAD/CAM systems? If you'll give me a few minutes of your time, I can not only answer this question, but also shine a light on the many elements that put ENCY beyond the other options currently on the market. Let's start with the technology platform, because that's where the fundamental differences lie. It's the foundation of our flagship software products. ENCY, for CNC machine programming. ENCY Robot, for offline programming of industrial robots. ENCY Tuner, for G-code verification and editing. So, what sets ENCY apart? A unified approach to CNC machines and robots. With ENCY, programming for both CNC machines and industrial robots is equally intuitive. One interface for both worlds. Most CAD/CAM systems don't work this way. Typically, programming industrial robots requires additional software, either for toolpath calculation or for adapting those trajectories to complex robot kinematics, followed by machining simulation. But with ENCY, everything is built in. From CAD tools for creating geometry to CAM for generating toolpaths, whether for a CNC machine or a robot, right through to simulation and post-processing. Machine awareness. Unlike many CAD/CAM systems that use 3D machine models and kinematics only during simulation or post-processing, ENCY integrates the machine's digital twin directly into the operation setup and toolpath calculation right from the start. Here's the traditional approach. A CAM programmer defines a machining strategy, selects tools, sets parameters, and generates a toolpath. Only during simulation do problems like gouging, collisions, or axis over travel become apparent, leading to a repetitive cycle of adjustments and resimulation. ENCY takes a different approach. Its machine awareness technology integrates machine constraints and stock tracking directly into toolpath calculation. From the start, operations are generated with all required transitions, ensuring the program is ready for execution without subsequent adjustments. This also simplifies post-processors. Since the toolpath is already machine aware, post-processing becomes faster, easier to implement, and leaves less room for errors. As soon as the toolpath is created, ENCY automatically runs fast background verification. If an issue arises, you'll see warnings right away, before even running the full simulation. This significantly reduces programming time and prevents late-stage corrections. For those working with complex multi-axis milling or mill-turn machines, ENCY provides full virtual setup capabilities, allowing precise definition of fixtures, tools, and workpiece positioning. Everything in ENCY is developed in-house. This independence allows us to innovate at our own pace, based on technological potential, user and dealer feedback, and without paying for third-party licenses, which means more cost-effective software for businesses like yours. The first thing you see when launching any software product is its interface. And let's be honest, many CAD/CAM systems today still have cluttered, outdated, and uninspiring interfaces, multiple overlapping windows, text-heavy layouts, and old-school graphics. ENCY is different. It features a clean and modern UI with just 3 main tabs. Model, for geometry creation. Machining, for toolpath programming. Simulation, for process verification. This streamlined workflow keeps everything intuitive and efficient. The sleek command icons make working in ENCY a pleasure, and the dark theme reduces eye strain, keeping you comfortable during long programming sessions. All of this is thanks to our UI/UX designers, who are dedicated to crafting a flawless, user-friendly, and stylish interface, one that excites engineers of all ages and skill levels. With ENCY, you can open multiple projects simultaneously, working with them in separate tabs. And for new users, smart hints provide instant explanations of machining parameters, helping you get up to speed quickly. A powerful platform and a flawless interface are just the beginning. ENCY takes it further with an advanced level of interactivity. Easily adjust machining parameters on the fly, tweak the number of passes, cutting direction or depth, and even switch machining strategies using drag and drop. The best part? You can see the expected results before running calculations. Interactively control your virtual machine or robot, reposition visors and clamps, set work coordinate systems, and snap components to machine structures with ease. And here's something exciting: interactive toolpath editing. Sounds awesome, right? You might think machining simulation is a standard feature in any CAM system, but ENCY takes it to the next level with its proprietary graphics engine and two powerful simulation modes. Solid simulation, for high precision and top-tier graphical quality. Voxel simulation, optimized for speed when performance matters most. Unlike other systems where simulation feels like a separate add-on, running in a detached window, ENCY's simulation is fully integrated into the main workspace, making it an essential part of the workflow. Users can start the simulation from any operation or even a specific block, and the stock model updates automatically. No need to save intermediate states. The entire machine environment is simulated in full detail, including the part, stock, cutting tools, and fixtures. Of course, you can customize component colors, adjust visibility, compare the machined part to the target model, and detect gouges and collisions. But here's what makes ENCY really special. In addition to standard material removal simulation, ENCY supports additive manufacturing, welding processes, painting and coating simulations, and much more. Oh, and I almost forgot. G-code-based simulation is also available. Creating a digital twin of your machine or robot sounds complex, right? Well, here's a fun fact. Even the children of our developers successfully built machine models while testing ENCY Machine Maker. Machine Maker is a cutting-edge interactive builder for digital twins, allowing you to create virtual models of CNC machines and robotic cells without any programming. With Machine Maker, you can import and simplify 3D models for faster rendering, define kinematics using intuitive interactive tools, build complex machine assemblies with ease, fine-tune machine parameters for precise CAD/CAM integration. Thanks to seamless integration with an extensive online component library, plus the ability to create custom elements, Machine Maker lets you accurately replicate your production equipment in the virtual world. And that's a game changer for modern manufacturing. The Online Project Library. This platform features hundreds of pre-made machining projects shared by ENCY users and dealers. With this library, you can store your machining projects in a private cloud, easily share files with colleagues or the entire ENCY community, use smart search filters to quickly find relevant machining examples. Once you find the right project, simply import it into ENCY. Use it for learning, reference, or reapplying existing machining strategies. As you can see, ENCY users don't waste time searching for digital content. They leverage industry knowledge, accelerate their learning curve, and optimize their workflow. Our time is almost up, but there's still one major thing I haven't covered, something deeply embedded in our slogan. Go beyond CAD/CAM. Think about this. What do you normally do when you encounter an issue in your CAD/CAM software that you can't solve on your own? Most likely, you contact technical support, which means endless phone calls, dozens of messages across different platforms, uploading and sharing project files via cloud storage. This time-consuming routine often requires multiple applications and communication channels. But we have a better solution. ENCY Clouds. ENCY Clouds is a powerful collaboration tool built specifically for manufacturing professionals. It features a built-in chat for real-time discussions, an online project library for seamless file sharing, effortless collaboration with support teams, clients, suppliers, and colleagues. And here's the game changer. When a project file is modified by one participant, it is automatically updated for all others. Plus, ENCY Clouds includes instant screenshot sharing for quick issue reporting, built-in calling to eliminate endless messaging, screen sharing for real-time troubleshooting. This simplifies and streamlines communication, not only for ENCY users, but also for dealers, suppliers, and industry experts. And this is just one example of how ENCY is reshaping CAD/CAM collaboration. All ENCY CAD/CAM products are part of a single connected ecosystem, ENCYx, which ensures seamless data exchange and real-time communication between different applications. When combined with ENCY's powerful CAM functionality, this synergy enhances efficiency at every level of manufacturing, no matter the scale. In this video, we've covered only the key differences and advantages of ENCY. But in reality, there are many more powerful features and hidden capabilities under the hood, some of which we haven't even touched on today. To learn more, you can always reach out to our dealers for a consultation, or download the trial version to explore the world of ENCY software on your own.